Hi, and welcome to Clappia. If you have already set your app to get GPS locations wherever a submission is made, you would have noticed that although you can see the location in map view, the location captured is in latitude and longitude. Now, if you want to convert these coordinates into an actual address, there's a simple way to do this. In my Clappia dashboard, I will select this app that I've created earlier. Right now, there is no GPS location block configured for this app, so I'll do that quickly. I'll go to Design App, I'll click on Add Field, and select the GPS location block. Now, I won't make any configurations to this. I'll just keep it simple. I'll even leave the label the same. Just keep it as GPS location. And under Advanced, the Enable Map View is already switched on. It'll take my default current location. So I'm not making any changes. I'm simply clicking on Save. Now, if I were to check this in App Home, you can see the GPS location block has captured my coordinates and it also shows the map view. Now, if you want to know how to set up the GPS location block in detail, there is a separate video on it. I'll link it in the description. Now, I want these coordinates to give the actual address. For that, go to Design App. Go to your GPS location block and on the right panel, go to the Advanced option. Here you have Fetch Address from Configured Location. Enable this. Save it. Now you will have to add a Calculations and Logic block as well to display the address. So I'll add another field. Select the Calculations and Logic block and configure it on the right-hand panel. I'll give it a name, let's say address, and under formula, I'll type in @ followed by the name given to your GPS block. So since I just left it as GPS location, I'll type in GPS location, and if you were to select this option, it'll only give you the coordinates as per usual, but if you want to get the address, you will have to find the variable which says address. Select it and then click on Save, and that's it. Now I'll go to App Home. The GPS location has been captured, and in the Calculations and Logic block, you can see my address. Now an important note, if you are using an app in link sharing mode, which means you are making an app public where anybody with a link can use your app, the GPS location block captures the coordinates but will not fetch the address. You will have to enable your own Google Maps API keys for this. So if you do need to use your app in link sharing mode, please check out the other video mentioned in the description. But otherwise, this setup for regular apps usage should work just fine. So if you still have any queries about how to configure the GPS location block or to capture its address or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking on the button over here, select the appropriate option that is convenient for you, and we'll get in touch. Thank you.